So I'm gonna be 100% committed to taking care of my newborn and myself. Because the mama is good, baby's good. Thank you all for reaching out and for everything. I honestly don't know what I'll do without your support. I love you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed rest of your day. And I hope that me finding the strength to come up here will make you happy. I love you.
Hey, whoa, my correct people. This is so touching, no, my correct people. This our beautiful Nigeria dancer, where they call KORRA OBiDi. The where her husband write for her for his Instagram say he no do again, say he don already tire. My correct people, make una come see wetin dey happen. Hey, no be small matter o. She don finally come outside come admit say yes, they are on a divorce issue. My correct people, na wow, my people, make una come see wetin dey happen. So na true say KORRA and the husband wey just put to bed for here, wey e shake the whole world, say their marriage don finally hit the rock. What a shocking and painful news. Okay, my correct people, why e no go too pay me be say these people dey on agreement ever since then. A lot of people no go believe with me, you understand? Una no go believe me. These people dey on agreement say once the pikin dem just born, they will just separate. Now the agreement, my correct people, a lot of people no go believe. E get one person wey I first know wey e dey on this agreement like that, you understand? They dey agreement say once their pikin reach 1 year, they go separate. The pikin still dey inside belle when two of them get this agreement, but unfortunately those people come still later fell in love with each other again after how many years, you understand? Because they were on agreement just like this KORRA own. But I pray say make they come outside come talk about wetin really dey happen between them, because a lot of people, a lot of couples wey una just dey see, majority of them, they no dey in good terms. Majority of them no even dey together again, you understand? For their children's sake, they just still dey the same house, just still dey laugh. Anytime when they just stay see visitor, they go just still smile, make people no know wetin dey go on. I don see many like that, my corrected people. Now about this KORRA like this, because now just few days ago, now she put to bed. It's not up to 10 days. The man don finally come outside come talk about say he no do again. A lot of people don't know the reason why the man talk am, but a lot of people just dey blame the man. I know they blame the man, not they blame the woman. I understand why a lot of people they talk am, because say she knew put to bed. But now their agreement, you understand? Just gaga meeting, I born. If I born, you feel move on. Wetin the man for do, if for not come talk am for Instagram, if for just leave the matter, just move on. Now small people they know say the husband not there around or the man travel. But at this man come announce and na DNA the palaba come lie. Una know say the man a celebrity just like the woman, since they don't start to they do they don't put themselves for social media. Okay, my correct people, so now make them become celebrity, and now DNA people can't blame the woman. The man say you're not supposed to do this kind thing. And my people, a lot fit happen for inside this relationship wey we no go know, you understand? Una feel surprised say as she newborn, now see the first video when I put just now, not be the intro, the first one wey she for just dey dance as she tie her belle. Those things maybe the man no want am again. Una see say she wear leggings for there. Maybe the man no want am again, say are you newborn, all those type of thing. Maybe na him make their pikin, you surprised say the pikin pass 9 months. You understand? Maybe doctor don't even want, and the woman not dey lis ten to advice, you understand? Because say she don already dey obodo ibo. I don't know how they take marry, whether the man na meet am for here or the man carry and come from Nigeria. I don't know anything about that one, but I will search about it and know how the two of the take become husband and wife, where they for meet. Okay, my correct people. Okay. una know say this dancing of a thing wey dis woman dey do, and when she even get this new belle, I dey see am, but I no be her followers. I just dey see am, I just see the stroll for Facebook market. I just see come across, I just watch her like 1 minute 2 minutes, I just see waka comot for there. Maybe something is going on, you never can tell, my corrected people, you understand. Maybe the husband don try to stop and say he no like this kind thing. Let's stop, let's live a normal life. You never can tell, my corrected people, you understand.
So I'm gonna be 100% committed to taking care of my newborn and myself, because the mama is good, baby's good. Thank you all for reaching out and for everything. I honestly don't know what I'll do without your support. I love you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed rest of your day. And I hope that me finding the strength to come up here will make you happy. I love you.
So until e come lead to this breakup for here, you understand, my correct people. Dancing is not that, dancing not be the problem, but not be say when you get belle or when you get this thing, anything where she dey do, any time wey she wan cook, she wan swim, she's always be like person wey e get, I no know as I wan take talk am, you understand. Maybe the man no even need this dancing with without no clothes, you understand. As a wife now, she no go like am, so maybe this thing have been causing argument for them for inside house ever since then. A lot of people no go know, you understand. Maybe e still get the way doctor still stay warn the woman, nobody know, you understand. Say see wetin happen, maybe the pikin get complication, sorry if I say that, or maybe she get complication, she newborn, or maybe she as she dey do this wetin dem dey call am as she dey do this very something, as I want to put am nice, as she dey press her belle that day, maybe she just want make the belle just go inside that fateful day, you understand. Make she just be model to people. Maybe na e cause quarrel, you never can tell, my corrected people. So you never can tell, my people, you understand. Maybe na all those one I still cause all this kind. So una no know whether na like that one. Maybe she just want make her belle go inside and the husband kick against it, the woman no gree, and this thing have been going on for a long time. I no understand. Now only God fit you know, or now if they fit come outside talk about am, because a lot of people they feel say maybe this thing a prank. Me, I don't believe saying a prank, because it's getting out of hand, you understand. Because which view she want make, you understand, because the view where she will make that day, because of this thing what you call am, because she want born, I believe say she get a lot of view. And a lot of people talk say maybe na view, just like the way Tiwa Savage be for that naked pee wey come outside that day, her access pee wey come outside that day. So a lot of people say maybe now she just release and put for air because say she want blow, all those type of things.